So there's shop right here. Let's just go together. We need to find some food in there. Hi girls, don't you be surprised, I'm a vlogger. Yeah, YouTube. Do you mind?
No.
Maybe we might even check your what's your names?
I'm Pile.
And Kani. Okay, so I'm Walk Africa. What can you tell me? Okay, can you just stand there a little?
Yeah.
Tell me about yourself, guys.
What exactly do you want to know?
Where you stay, what do you think about this city, Pretoria, as it is?
It's very interesting and very busy.
And very busy.
Yeah.
Is it busy, like busy?
Yeah, like
A daily thing.
from our world to this world, it's a huge transition. So where we come from, it's very quiet. It's the rural area. It's not as busy.
Yeah.
So when we come this side, it's like
Wow.
it's very. It's,
Where are you coming from?
Mpumalanga.
Mpumalanga.
Yes.
So you're not like staying local, permanently. Yeah.
No, it's temporarily for school reasons.
Oh, for school reasons.
Yeah.
What standard are you doing? It might be university, right?
Yeah.
You guys are the university. What are you doing there? Okay. Let me ask you first of all before I come to you.
I'm
Yeah.
doing HR management at Sunny College.
How many years now?
It's my first year.
Isn't it?
Yes.
That's interesting. That's interesting.
Yes.
So, what do you think of vloggers?
I
People
feel
about it?
like they are very brave, or like they're very encouraging because they're doing things that are out of my comfort zone. So I kind of look up to them because I wouldn't have the courage to actually do what they do.
Just like meeting people.
Yeah,
just
like meeting
talking
new
to
people.
them just like that.
And you know, people might be offended, and like us as South Africans are not used to like these YouTube things, the modern things of like vloggers, influencers, people out with cameras, lights.
Yeah.
It seems foreign.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Do you have an Instagram? What's your handle?
Yes.
That people are watching right now. No, you can,
My
so you can have
Instagram is
more. Yeah.
ITSS_PHILEY.
You guys are hearing that. Can you repeat that again?
It's
I want you
underscore.
to help more people who's gonna be following you. on
Okay.
this.
ITSS_PHILEY.
Impressive. All right,
Yes.
let's come to you now. What's your name?
Kani.
Kani.
Yeah.
What language do you speak, Kani? Debele.
I'm Debele, yeah.
Isn't it? Tell us something about Pretoria. What do you think of Pretoria?
It's just the same as what she said.
Just the same.
Yeah.
And when it comes to cleaners, have you been in Joburg before?
Yes.
Joburg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think of Joburg and Pretoria? Those cities, the two of them.
Yeah.
When it
For
comes
me,
to
I
cleaners.
think when it comes to what?
Cleaners.
Cleanliness.
Cleanliness. Yeah. The smartness of the car.
Yeah, like both in Pretoria and Joburg, there are some parts which are like clean, and then there are some parts which
Which are not.
Yeah.
I think I love Pretoria more than Joburg.
Yeah.
It's clean here.
Yeah.
It's very clean.
This
If I'm
has
just comparing
more
with those,
areas to explore that are actually clean.
that's
Pretoria
absolutely.
has more options that are like clean and like areas which are more decent than Joburg, because Joburg has a lot of rural areas, or like not the villages but the townships. Yeah.
Yeah.
It has a lot of townships, and Pretoria seems more sophisticated.
Yes.
In a way.
I hear you. So, what are you doing at school when it comes to education?
I'm doing psychology at H-Force.
You're doing psychology, and which year?
It's my first year.
First year. Where are you staying? Are you staying there at university, or you've got your
No, I'm
places
staying
that
at a
you rent
student
around here?
accommodation. Yeah.
And how much are you paying those rentals?
2.3.
2.3. Are you living like in a? You
Sharing.
yeah, you
Yeah,
sharing.
we share.
Or you're sharing with this one?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. The clever one. So, girls, what do you wanna just tell the people that who are watching you right now?
A word of advice.
Yes, a word of advice.
Okay.
Exactly. You put it right. I'm even failing to put it right, and you're
A
doing
word
it
of
right.
advice from me is just live your life, be happy, and enjoy each and every moment as if it's your last, because tomorrow is never promised.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Spend each and every last cent if you have to enjoy your life.
Isn't it?
Yes.
And
I
you?
don't have a word of advice today.
Maybe some other time.
Yeah.
That was nice meeting you guys, and I really enjoyed this. Now, I would have to send you the link of this video when it comes out. So I'd have to have your WhatsApp.
Okay.
And guys, it has been an amazing meeting these guys here. We are in Pretoria, and they're amazing, right? Beautiful girls. Pretoria is just beautiful.
Yeah. Pretoria is
Can you find my eyes? I can see well. My glasses. Can you find where you can just put?
So what exactly are you vlogging?
Yeah.
What exactly are you vlogging?
What exactly am I?
Vlogging.
It's about the country, just traveling vlogs.
Or you're
Traveling.
traveling to different parts of the country?
Yes,
Wow.
you'll see when you get into the channel. Guys, I'm speaking to the most beautiful guys in Pretoria. I don't think you will find any beautiful girls like these ones. Look at them. Can you see how beautiful they are, guys? All right, so you can find them on Instagram. They've just given you their handles.
Give you my handle.
Yeah, exactly. We are coming there. Have you saved this number? Because have you saved it?
Yes.
On Pile. Okay. Put hers as well so that but it's just the same now.
Yeah, it's just the same.
It's just the same. I'll just put it to you. So your Instagram?
My Instagram is at
Wait. All right.
My Instagram is at Miss_Braceface.
Can you repeat that again so that they
At
can hear?
Miss_Braceface.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
girls, I'll be seeing you around, and I think I'm closing this one.
Okay.
So guys, subscribe to this channel.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Just do that for me.
Yeah.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to all your fellow classmates, friends, families, and everyone else. Thank you.
Yeah, say subscribe to Walk Africa.
What should I say?
Subscribe to Walk Africa. I'm Walk Africa.
Subscribe to what?
Walk Africa.
Oh, subscribe to Walk Africa.
Have that vibe. You are more vibrant.
Yeah.
And she's cool, but she's beautiful. You're all beautiful guys. Thank you to do this interview.
No problem.
So I'll be seeing you in the next one now. Hi guys, we're back again. It's South Africa, yeah. Still in the streets of Pretoria. Let's just have to use this find out something here. I wanna know the Sabonaba. Who's that? Bani Kamala is you're not sure, ne? I'll go sure. Okay, sharp. Guys, listen. I have to find the name of the street, but I'll let you know as we walk going down there. This is Pretoria, guys. It's amazing to be here, and I've always loved to be walking here. This is a city of its own kind. It's really of its own kind. So much that happens around here. You know, from entertainment to just chilling. You can go to the parks, to the park. There's a park somewhere around here. Not only one park, I think there are a number of parks here that you can go and just enjoy yourself, eating the food that you have bought. What amazing place this is. So guys, like the video, subscribe, give me more energy to do more videos, guys. There are so many guys who are watching my videos, but they are not subscribed, guys. Just hold on a minute and subscribe. Subscribe to your boy, man. Okay, let's jump over here. to look for shop right here. Hope I'm gonna find it somewhere. I'm not so sure if I need some food. I'm hungry. So walk with me. Kunjani ba? Sap man. Ngaphandle kwalapha yana ne kukhona i-shop right somewhere. Yeah, eseduzane. Kuphi? Yeah. Okay. Ngiyabonga. Thank you kakhulu. I'm looking for ShopRite. I always need ShopRite, where I can find actually ShopRite or Pick and Pay. I can really find good food there. Especially Pick and Pay has got good food, fresh food. I like food from Pick and Pay than in other shop. So there's Liberty. I don't know what they do in that building. But you know what you're doing when you're walking these roads. But there's plenty of traffic, so you just need to be very careful, otherwise they'll bump you up. Yes, it's very true. Yeah, that was amazing having you around, guys. So I'll be seeing you in the next one. Please do subscribe. Bye.